Siddhant Mishra, with us Akanksha Swaroop, Simran Babbar and Arun Dhanta. Thank you so much all for joining us. Simran, let me just come to you. Of course, there is going to be a focus on the strategic and privileged partnership here. We are potentially looking at a no-limits partnership between India and Russia. I'm sure you heard what our esteemed guests were also saying. How much of a factor do you think the United States is here? And what sort of breakthroughs are we expecting during this visit?
Well, absolutely, Hem. And in fact, starting on the very same point that you had earlier made about the United States, in a series of first reactions that has come in, closely watching these developments and how exactly this entire relationship is coming to also unfold a new series of bilateral ties, and how New Delhi and Moscow are forging ahead to sign a host of pacts specifically targeting, in fact, trade and defense. What really importantly also to be noted at this point is that on the same month in which Russian President Vladimir Putin has visited and decided to visit India, on December 25th, the 15-year anniversary on the adoption of the elevation of the Russia-India relations to the special and privileged partnership is also going to be celebrated. It is in fact going to be 25 years since Russian President Vladimir Putin first came to India for an annual summit with then Atal Bihari Vajpayee as the Prime Minister, and now where we stand is also a huge testament of how over these years, starting from the Soviet Union era as well, now the relationships have transformed themselves into the partnership that has stood the test of time. Very categorically also mentioning that not just this kind of a bilateral relations that has been elevated to the special and privileged partnership, but very importantly to be noted that the imports and the exports, which is going to be a very huge sector as bilateral pacts and the separate delegation level talks of the industry partners is also going to be taking place, as India is also hoping for Russia to import more. And in fact, even in this October as well, when a record $68.7 billion have been hit as a trade during even when the secondary tariffs were in place, this is also going to be a huge, in fact, roadmap for the $100 billion trade deal that has been set in place, and how that can also lead forward to the